Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make your text big or how to type in a big text in Discord just like this. So first what you want to do is go to your messages, or you can go to a server and go down here to the message area or message bar here. So once you're there, it's easy. You just need to type in a hashtag just like so and go click on space. There should be a space right there so that this would work. And just go type in anything like how are you? How are you? So as you can see, anything that comes after the hashtag will become big or will be bigger. So we can make another one. Or let's say what's up? What's up? Just like that. So as you can see guys, it's just that easy. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.